Well, Halloween, it is a favorite holiday for kids, right? And even the big kids, but it can also be stressful and even dangerous, especially for those living with allergies, because a bag full of candy could mean a trip to the hospital if a child eats something that they're allergic to. So that's why this morning we have Shandee Chernow, who's joining us to talk about what you can do to make sure everybody has a great Halloween, and to talk a little bit about an organization that you've created to help businesses who are dealing with allergies, because you have had to deal with this your whole life.
My food allergies were adult onset.
So later in life
they came on when I was 28. They can come at any time. But it was the impetus for me founding CertiStar, which is the company that I run. We have software for businesses that sell food, so restaurants, schools, hotels, cruise lines, anything can use our software to keep their guests as safe as possible. And one of the reasons that food allergy kids have such issues is things like Halloween, right?
Sure, you don't know what's in that package of candy. Even if they say no nuts, they could still be processed, right, in places that produce nuts and use nuts.
And the little ones almost never have the ingredients listed anyway, so food allergy kids' parents oftentimes take their candy away.
Which makes it no fun at all.
That's right. They might switch it out for cash or for some other amount of candy that they know is safe, but it really puts a stress, and it's kind of a downer for those kids.
Yeah, and over the years, we've seen the trend in the teal pumpkins, which indicate that they have items for kids with allergies, right?
That's right.
And it's as easy as painting any kind of pumpkin, real or decorative.
What a great activity to do with your kids right before Halloween. So we've got a ceramic one here that's already done. We've got a plastic one that you can purchase. This one's a paper mache one that we can paint. So we've got our little foam
Does it matter what kind of paint we're using?
No, this is just acrylic paint that you can get at Michael's or Joann's or Target. And the paper mache and the white ceramic pumpkins both come at any of those stores as well. So you can just paint it with your kids, you can add glitter, you can have white stripes on it, you can do all sorts of things to make that pumpkin a little bit personalized for your home.
I love it. And then the best part, of course, when the families do see this, they know it's safe for their kids to go trick-or-treating. And then, of course, have the options, right? You've got a variety of things that kids can have besides candy.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So there's all sorts of fun things that you can get. We picked up all of this stuff from Party City or Target or Walmart, usually in like the dollar section. So we've got bubbles, rings, these fun little mouths. They make a funny noise when you blow through them. Pencils. The little action figures, the vampire teeth are always a favorite. This is slime.
Oh, well, that's a favorite right there. That'll be gone like that.
My kids wanted to make sure I brought that one home. We've got bouncy balls that are kind of like eyeballs, skull erasers, and then those little creepy crawly things that run down the walls. So all sorts of different things that make food allergy kids feel like they're welcome, that they can have the same experience that other kids can have.
And they should. There should be no separation, right?
That's exactly
between
right.
kids with allergies and kids with not.
Yeah, so all this stuff is super inexpensive, and it makes the food allergy kids have, you know, a fun, same experience as everyone else. Kind of the best part is anything that you don't give away this year, you can just stick in a teal bowl or whatever and save it for next year.
And it doesn't go bad.
It doesn't go bad.
Candy goes away anyways. The adults will eat that. So take your Dracula teeth, and we are ready to go to break. Happy Halloween. I want to suck your blood. Are all ready for Halloween. Stay with us, we'll be right back. Started talking to you.